Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? I am Muhammad Arshad. Today we are doing O-level mathematics D3 unit 4 exercise 4b. Before starting our lecture, I am giving you a message, dear students, that subscribe my channel Read with Arshad. Also like, comment and share this video so that it can reach to so many students. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 4b. Question number 1. Evaluate each of the following. Part E. Given is that 72 CD square whole power 0. Keep in mind, students, something power 0 is equal to 1. 72 CD square whole power 0 is equal to 1. That is answer. Now question number 2. Find the value of each of the following. Part D. 6 power 3 plus 6 power 0 minus 6. 6 power 3 equal to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 36. 36 6 2 16 plus 6 power 0 is equal to 1, as something power 0 is equal to 1, minus 6. 216 plus 1 217 minus 6. 217 minus 6 211. That is answer. Understand? Now we are doing question number 4. Evaluate 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 multiply by 3 square multiply by 2015 power 0. 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 by taking reciprocal of 3 by 4 converting into 4 by 3 and the sign is change. Multiply by 3 square multiply by 2015 whole power 0. 4 square can be written as 4 4 16 over 3 square 339 multiply by 3 square 339 multiply by 2015 power 0 is equal to 1, because something power 0 is equal to 1. Now 9 is cancelled by 9, so 16 is answer. Understand? Question number 5. Evaluate 16 by 81 index 4 equal to 16. Factors of 16 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. Over factors of 81 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 9, 9 3 27, 27 3 81. Index 4. Now 2 power 4 over 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 2 power 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 over 3 power 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. 4 is cancelled by 4. Also 4 is cancelled by 4. So 2 by 3 is answer. Question number 8. Solve these. Part A. 11 power A is equal to 1331. 11 power A is equal to 1331 is equal to 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. 11 11 121 121 11 1331. So it can be written as 11 power A is equal to 11 power 3. Now keep in mind, as bases are equal, then powers are also equal. So A is equal to 3, that is answer. Similarly, Part C of question number 8. 9C is equal to 243. Factors of 9 are 3 multiplied by 3 whole power C is equal to, factors of 243 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3 9, 9 3 27, 27 3 81, 81 3 243. 3 square C is equal to 3 power 5 because 3 is 5 times. Now as bases are equal, then powers are also equal. So 2C is equal to 5 and C is equal to 5 by 2. By dividing 5 by 2 equal to 2.5, that is answer. Question number 9. Simplify each of the following, expressing your answer in positive index form. Part E. 3 g power minus 3 h power minus 1 whole square multiply by minus 4 g power 3 h power minus 2 whole square equal to 3 square g power minus 3 multiply by 2 minus 6 h power minus 2 h power minus 1 multiply by 2 is equal to h power minus 2 also multiply by minus 4 whole square g power 3 multiply by 2 g power 6 and h power minus 2 multiply by 2 h power minus 4. By combining same bases also constants are combined. 3 square is equal to 9 and minus 4 square is equal to 16. They are at left side. Also g power minus 6 g power plus 6 multiply by h power minus 2 h power minus 4. When bases are same, then their exponent can be added or subtracted. 16 9 the 144 g power minus 6 plus 6 h power minus 2 minus 4. 144 g power 6 minus 6 0 h power minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 6. 144 g power 0 is equal to 1 h power minus 6. 144 over h power 6 g. Part G है m5 n3 multiply by m square power minus 2 over m power minus 1 n whole square equal to m power 5 n power 3 multiply by m power 2 multiply by minus 2 minus 4 over m power minus 1 multiply by 2 m power minus 2 n square. So we have to combine same powers, m power 5 m power minus 4 m power plus 2 also n power 3 n power minus 2. Exponent can be subtracted or added. M power 5 minus 4 plus 2 n power 3 minus 2. M power 5 minus 4 1 1 plus 2 3 n power 3 minus 2 1 equal to m3n. That is answer. Question number 10. Simplify each of the following, expressing your answer in positive index form. D power 1 by 10 divided by d power minus 1 by 5 multiply by d power minus 3 by 2 equal to d power 1 by 10 multiply by d power plus 1 by 5. Divide is converted into multiplication, also sign will be changed. Multiply by d power minus 3 by 2. As bases are equal, so exponent can be added or subtracted. D power 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 2 taking LCM equal to 10, 10 1 the 10, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, plus 5 to 10, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, minus 2 5 10, 5 3 15. D power 2 plus 1 3 minus 15 minus 12 by 10. By simplifying, 6 to 12, 2 5 10 minus 6 by 5. D is equal to 1 by D power 6 by 5. By converting index, by converting into positive is also equal to 1 by D power 1 whole number 1 by 5. That is answer. Question number 11. Simplify each of the following, expressing your answer in positive index form. A power minus 2, B power 3 whole power 3 multiply by A power 4, B power minus 5 whole power 1 by 2. By multiplying powers with each other, A power minus 2 multiply by 1 by 3, B power 3 multiply by 1 by 3, A power 4 multiply by 1 by 2, and B power minus 5 multiply by 1 by 2. Also equal to A power minus 2 by 3, B power 1, 3 will be cancelled with 3, A 2 to the 4, A square multiply by B power minus 5 multiply by 1 over 2 minus 5 by 2. A power minus 2 by 3, A square multiply by B power 1 multiply by B power minus 5 by 2. By combining same power, same basis, A minus 2 by 3 plus 2, B power 1 minus 5 by 2. By taking LCM, A power 3 LCM, 3 1 the 3 minus 2 plus 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6. Also B LCM is 2, 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, minus 2 1 the 2, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5, equal to A is equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by 3, B power minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2, can be written as A power 4 by 3 over B power 3 by 2 by converting exponent into positive form. Also equal to A power 1 whole number 1 by 3, B power 1 whole number 1 by 2. Question number 12. Simplify each of the following, expressing your answer in positive index form. Part D. A plus B power n over BC square divided by A plus B power n plus 3 over ABC. A plus B power n over BC square multiply by, divide can be converted into multiply, and next value we can take reciprocal of this, ABC over A plus B n plus 3. Also A plus B power n, by simplifying BC square and ABC, A plus B power n over C multiply by A power A plus B n plus 3 equal to A plus B power n over C multiply by A into A plus B minus n minus 3. A into A plus B n minus n minus 3 over C. A into A plus B power minus 3 over C is equal to A over C into A plus B power 3. That is answer. And end of the lecture. Thank you.